Have you ever looked at a plant with drooping leaves and immediately reached for the watering can? If so, you're definitely not alone. One of the biggest misconceptions in gardening is that drooping always means a plant is thirsty. In reality, overwatering is one of the most common causes of unhealthy plants, both indoors and outdoors. Today I'm going to show you 5 simple signs that your plants may be receiving more water than they need, along with why it happens and what you can do about it. Let's get started. Sign number 1. Drooping leaves. This surprises a lot of people. When roots sit in constantly wet environments, they receive less oxygen. Healthy roots need oxygen just as much as they need water. If they can't breathe properly, they struggle to support the rest of the plant. The result? Leaves can become limp or droop, even though there's plenty of moisture in the soil. That's why it's always worth checking the growing medium before adding more water. A drooping plant isn't automatically a dry plant. Sign number 2. Slow or stalled growth. Plants need a healthy root system to absorb water and nutrients efficiently. If the root zone stays saturated for long periods, root function can become less effective, and growth may slow down noticeably. You might see fewer new leaves, shorter stems, or a plant that simply doesn't seem to be progressing. Healthy growth usually starts below the surface, so don't just look at the leaves. Think about what's happening around the roots as well. Sign number 3. The container always feels heavy. This is one of the easiest checks you can make. After watering, gently lift your container and notice, how heavy does it feel? Over the next few days, it should gradually become lighter, as moisture is used by the plant and evaporates naturally. If the container stays unusually heavy for an extended period, it may be holding on to more moisture than the plant currently needs. Learning the difference between a freshly watered container and one that's ready for watering again is a simple skill that can make a big difference. Sign number 4. The growing medium never seems to dry. Different plants have different moisture preferences. Most benefit from a balance between water and oxygen around their roots. If the surface constantly looks wet, or the growing medium never appears to change, it could indicate poor drainage or watering that's simply too frequent. It's often better to water based on the needs of the plant rather than sticking to a fixed daily schedule. Observation is one of the most valuable gardening skills you can develop. Sign number 5. Unhealthy roots. If you're repotting a plant or checking its root system, healthy roots are generally firm and lighter in colour. Roots that appear stressed or unhealthy may indicate that conditions around the root zone haven't been ideal. Good drainage, suitable containers, and appropriate watering practices all help support a healthy root environment. Remember, healthy roots usually lead to healthy leaves, stronger stems, and better overall plant growth. The biggest takeaway from this short video is this: more water doesn't always mean a healthier plant. In fact, one of the best things you can do is observe before you water. Check the weight of the container. Look at the growing medium. Watch how your plant responds over time. Every plant is different, and factors like temperature, humidity, container size, and the type of growing medium all influence how often watering is needed. The more you learn to read your plants, the more confident you'll become as a gardener. If you found this video helpful, consider sharing it with someone who's getting into gardening. Let me know in the comments which one of the 5 signs surprised you the most. Thanks for watching.